guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the gaming keyboard, and this keyboard is not expensive, so it's not gonna be a crazy thing on this. Obviously gonna be like a backlight, and plus it's a mechanical keyboard. So I'm gonna do this. There we go. So this keyboard is black color, obviously. Doesn't have anything else. Okay. So far I can see is okay, kind of okay. So in the back you're gonna have this, which is nice. And I'm going to connect it to my computer, obviously. This will work. Nope. I need to load this. There we go. Let me connect it. Let me connect the computer. Let me show you this. There we go. Okay, let me. So you can see right now. It's actually nice, it's not bad. So yeah, not bad at all. And I'm gonna show you some feature this keyboard. Okay, let me show you. In first one, you have the headphone key, which is probably will enable to listen to the headphone. Maybe, I'm not sure about that. And in the side you have volume down, volume up, volume up, stop button, backward for a pause button, forward button, and this one I don't know which button is this. This one I don't know which one is. This is home button, of course I know. This is lock button. This one is calculator button. This one is a calculator button. So all of this button works only if you press a function key. If you press like directly, it will not work, obviously, and you can remove the key. So guys, I'm gonna test this keyboard. So I'm gonna type something on this computer. So it's quite comfortable than my older one, because my older one is like plain. So basically it's comfortable for me. And yeah, and if you realize, if I turn off this light, it does look a normal keyboard if you look carefully. But when you turn on this keyboard, it looks totally different, and it feel like you're using gaming keyboard. But when you turn off this, it's becoming like I don't know, maybe one of the Logitech a normal keyboard. Yeah, basically. So yeah, personally I like this keyboard under the budget. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure thumbs up this video, and if you have any question, you can comment down below. So guys, see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.